Good afternoon, friends. This Sunday, on 3rd July, I have visited Silvasss, exploring the nature and the monsoon of Gujarat rains. It was a splendid afternoon. I have visited Silvasss, Madhuban Dam, near to Madhuban Dam, the park with a lot of rich greenery and woods which can enshrine us, enlighten us with the basic fundamentals of life in the nature. The enjoyable sights, scenery which blasts you with a huge amount of natural energy. This is the real cause of my energy here. I have visited the place and I have felt extraordinarily happy and enlightened with the joy to view the place. I have gone through a lot of scenic shots, a lot of photographs, and due to my passion towards photography, I have taken a few shots for your reference, a few glimpses for your joy. A muddy lake, lot of green patches within the lake. You can observe lots of leaves of encarved in the waters of the lake. The green leaves, thick green, lush green leaves. You can see the variety of plants and trees with big bush, lots of colors of leaves around it, and you can see the size of the leaves here, which makes you feel better. The height of the trees, the coverage of the trees, the greenery will make you happy that evening. That's what I have enjoyed. I have walked through the total garden, the total meadow, the total grass in order to capture good scenery of that. But that's not easy. In order to make a scenic shot, I might be wrong, I'm not sure, even if I'm not giving the right focus, in order to give you a aerial view of the total scenery here. That was awesome, but I was late actually. I could have gone much early, but it was late. I've traveled to Dudhni, and after that I've been to this place. I was on the way to Dudhni. It rained heavily, so I could not capture any pictures within Dudhni. That's what a bad luck for me, but still within Silvasss I got a chance to capture a lot of photos here, a lot of videos here. You can see the beauty of the dry tree. You can see the man passing through a walkway, forest rest houses, trees, crotons, plants, bush, lawn, different kind of medicinal plants in the forest guest houses. The beauty of the nature and lot more to come in future. The pathway where we walked after a rising rainfall. It was a blasting rainfall. After that, I've got a chance to explore the nature. That's the pathway to the exit of this garden, the entrance of the garden, a round view of the garden, the headings within the garden, to the jogging track, and a pond for a wooden beam. It was attached like this. The gate is also made of wood carving. The trees widely shaped, widely covered with the wooden beams. The scenery of this, a few glimpses of the shots, the photos I have taken while people driving the bikes, while people going in the cars near to the parking with my helmet on, and a lot more to come on the way. I hope this is an excellent scenery where you can guess the maximum out of this. Once again, thank you all of you for giving me a chance in order to motivate me to capture a lot of glimpses of my Sunday fun day visit this weekend. Next weekend I'm planning to go for Trimbakeshwar once again in order to visit a lot of sightseeing places like Sita Guha, Pandava Vanvas Guha, Godavari Panchavati Ghat, and a lot more to come within the next weekend. Tomorrow I'm visiting Tarapur, which is based in Maharashtra. I will capture a video of it while on the roadway, and I'll definitely telecast within my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe and like my videos in order to have more notifications to come whenever I upload any video within the channel. Lot more to come. No need to be afraid. Lot more to come. Just what I need is only of your basic encouragement in the form of subscription and liking the videos. Nothing more. I have a lot of memories in my mind. I have a lot of memories I've captured, but that's only for your encouragement. I needed your encouragement. This is the Madhuban Dam. Okay, you can see the huge Madhuban Dam flowing with the heavy waters running through the monsoons effect. This is my bike, my traveling guide in order to reach up various destinations. My black beauty is in the parking, and this is the sunny breezy evening of Madhuban Dam in the monsoon with the sunset